Okay, welcome back to this episode of The Practical Camper. Today we're out at the Tarrant County RV Show checking out this 2020 Catalina Expedition 192 RB coming in at a show price of $18,777. And it's a nice little unit, of course, good solid steps, we like that. It's got the Murphy bed in the front, good size television, and small dinette here. Nice size fridge, microwave, everything that you need. I really like these low profile cooktop fans. That's always really nice. Let's check out the bathroom. Ooh, a little bit cramped. Yeah, you can see there's not a whole lot of space here. For reference, you know, that's pretty tight. I'd probably have to sit side saddle using this guy. Man, that is really tight. Big door, you know, wish they could have given you a little bit more room by taking away some of that storage, but yeah, that's 8 inches there. It's not going to work for anybody my size. I'm 6'5" and not happening. Anyway, another Murphy bed. Don't really like not having dedicated sleeping areas, but that's okay.